In this lesson, you are going to become a master of interrogative in Spanish. The interrogative form is one of the easiest things to learn in Spanish. Why is it so easy? Because we don't have to do anything different. We only have to change the pronunciation. For example, are you in the restaurant? In affirmative, it would be
Tú estás en el restaurante.
If we want it as an interrogative sentence,
¿Tú estás en el restaurante?
are they in love?
¿Ellos están enamorados?
Is she a nurse?
¿Ella es enfermera?
And of course, we can't finish this video without explaining to you the most important words in the interrogative sentences. Where?
¿Dónde?
When?
¿Cuándo?
How?
¿Cómo?
Who?
¿Quién?
What?
¿Qué?
We have to use them at the beginning of the sentence, and then just continue with the sentence as it is affirmative. Where is my car?
¿Dónde está mi coche?
When is the restaurant open?
¿Cuándo está abierto el restaurante?
How is your house?
¿Cómo está tu casa?
Who is your father?
¿Quién es tu padre?
Which are the best books?
¿Cuáles son los mejores libros?
If you want to learn Spanish, follow the link in the description, and you will find our complete course with more than 600 lessons, 300 exercises, more than 60 hours content, and a community where you can ask questions and our teachers will answer you, and meet people learning Spanish to practice. Only $249 lifetime. If you want to continue learning for free, just click here and you will find the next free lesson.